Meaning of directory.
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 Directory. In computing, a directory is a container that holds files or other directories. It's also known as a folder. A directory tree is a hierarchical structure of directories that typically starts with a root directory. Directories organize files into a logical structure that makes it easy to find, manage, and access them. Directories are an essential part of file systems in operating systems and provide a way for users to organize their files. In summary, a directory is a way to organize and store files and directories in a hierarchical structure to make it easier to navigate and find information.